Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to all of you. This is Amit, and you're watching Study with Amit. So, today in this string manipulation ICSE Java class 10th session, I will discuss today about
character functions.
character functions which were left in the previous video. So, character functions which were left. So, first there are two. First, character dot to lowercase, character dot to uppercase. Here, if you will say that it is same as that is lowercase and is uppercase, so it is wrong, because this returns the value in character form. This return value in character form. If we enter here in is lowercase, we check. If we enter here a and a is in lowercase, so it will return true. And if we enter a here in this a to lowercase, capital A here, so it will return character value small a. Whereas likewise in this, if we enter here small a, it will return capital A. It changes to uppercase. We have to remember that it changes the value from small letter to uppercase to lowercase. So this is copy down this. Now here we have one question. Write a program to take input from user and check whether write a program to take an input and check whether the entered value is letter or not. If letter, then also check. If letter, then also check whether it is in uppercase or lowercase, and convert into vice versa. So write a program to take an input and check whether entered value is letter or not. If letter, then also check whether it is in uppercase or lowercase. And convert it into its vice versa form. So we'll write here import java.util asterisk class public static void main string args scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. After this, what we will write? We'll take input sopln, enter input. Now we'll write char ch is equal to character ch is equal to sc.next dot char at 0. Here we have taken input. After this, what we will do? We'll check whether entered value is letter or not. Copy down till here. Now ch is equal to, here we have taken input from user. After this, what we'll do? We'll check whether the entered value is letter or not. If vector dot is letter ch, if it is true, then it will come inside this. If it is letter, then also check whether it is in uppercase or lowercase. Character dot is lowercase ch. This we have done. Character dot is uppercase. If it is in uppercase, what we have to do? Convert into vice versa. We have to convert it into lowercase. So what we will do? sopln will directly print character dot is uppercase. It is there. If it is uppercase, then we have to print in lowercase. So we will write character dot to lowercase ch, and here we write character dot to upper case ch, and at last what we'll write? We will write else sopln letter, check whether entered value is letter or not. Here we'll close this letter part and we'll write else not a letter, and we'll close this. So what we have done, here we have checked whether it is letter or not. Here we are checking inside, it will go inside this, and here we are checking character dot is uppercase. If it is in uppercase, it will go and print the lowercase value of ch. If it is in lowercase, then it will print 2 uppercase value of ch. And here we have closed this. Character dot is letter. If it is letter, then only it will execute inside this, else it will print not a letter. So this was the program. Which we have done today. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, do share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.